Guys, welcome back to the Programming Guy channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create an event on Facebook. So first thing you have to do is open up your Facebook app, and you're going to click right on this horizontal line. Click on that and you're going to see this menu. You're going to click on see more. So you're just going to click on see more. So once you click on see more, you're going to see events right here. Click on events and you're going to see a lot of events people have already posted, right? And you just see right above your screen, you're going to see the plus sign. Click on the plus sign and you're good to go. So you can either just upload a picture or photo from your gallery, right? And you're going to put in a event name. So I'm just going to put in party, right? And also you can set up the time and also the dates when it's going to start, and you can also add end time, right? And also repeat events, and you're going to actually click on the location in person, right? And also who can see it. Who do you want it to see it? If you want the public, you click on the public or your group, and also fill in details of what you're actually doing, and you can just click on create events. You can also add, okay, wait, you can also add co-hosts, and you can also add co-hosts and other things. So let's click on manage to actually see. We can see co-host, add co-host right here, additional settings, and also add tickets. So you can do all that as well. Then once you're done with editing, you can click on save and it's going to be saved on your Facebook just like this. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys.